I would only be your way. So I'm gone, but I know I'll think of you every step of the way. And I'm taking with me. It's a goodbye. Please don't cry. People know I'm not what you need. And I you had, and I hope you had all you dreamed of. And I wish that you would die in happiness. But above all this, I wish you
That was very nice. That was very nice. Rare yung boses na sarap pakinggan, whether it's in the low registers or up there. And I think you did your homework. Binantayan mo nga. Hindi ka naman, tinamaan mo yung mga nota this time. No, I think, pero nabili mo naman. Nabili mo naman. Hindi kasi parang nautusan ka lang bumili yung get-up mo naman eh. You're in the semi-finals already, Iha, no? And that outfit, pwede yan sa eliminations, di ba? Alam ba sa inyo na kasali ka dito? Opo. Hindi ka naman nagtatago, no? Kasi baka hindi ka makapagbihis, baka sabihin ng tatay, saan ka pupunta?
Galing po kasi ng school.
Alright. Okay, sige. Forgivable. But if you do make it, if you make it to the grand finals and you show up in that tayo hindi kita papapasukin. Yun lang. And then printed pa yung t-shirt. I said something about that yesterday sa ibang contestants. No? Na, it takes away from the performance. You are not trying to get in anymore. You're in already sa semifinals. That's what I'm talking about. So, today, I'm expecting really a full performance from the voice to the outfit, to the movement, to the ano. But, nevertheless, you have a very wonderful voice, and I think you'd go a long way. Congratulations. Great.
Marie Chris, that was a wonderful performance, and you really, like Carlos said, nabantayan lahat ng mga high notes mo, and you did very, very well with that. And I like the fact that you owned the song, hindi mo ginaya note per note yung kanta, you did your own stylings, and I appreciate that, and I like that your movements were also natural. You keep it up, and I hope this gets you to the grand finals because I really want to see you there.
Thank you po. Marie Chris, wala na akong masabi kasi talagang ang galing mo. I wasn't here the first time you performed, but I know this performance is better. Pero ako, I'm very conscious. Last night I said, you sound good. No, not you, the other performer. You sound good. You look good. Yung look ngayon, ang medyo nawala sa'yo. But anyway, you have a very good future in singing. Congratulations.
Thank you po.
Thank you very much. That was Marie.